No more intros. Let's go. Rasasi Hawas versus Edison Hawas. Are they similar? Malayo ba? Malapit pa? I don't know. Let's go. Umpisa na agad natin siya ngayon. Rasasi Hawas. When we are talking about Rasasi Hawas, it's supposed to be a fresh, aquatic, citrusy, and animalic scent. By the way, Rasasi Hawas is a very good fragrance. It's a very, very, very hype beast. Ano hype beast? Walang term doon ah. This mood performance na fragrance. I love you, Rasasi Hawas. Yeah, so I don't know, in love ako kay Dasasi Awas, so I'll be disappointed kapag ang layo ni Enzo since, they gave it to me by now free and I'm hoping na similar nga siya. Okay, let's... Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Gagi par. Oh my god. Ah, I mean, I'm sorry Sir Enzo and sa Enzo Sense, pero wala yung green apple bergamot scent na meron sila sa siya. Was! Pero, yun nga, oh my god, yung cup. Wala siya kay Enzo scent. I can't find the Nasasihawa scent. Hinahanap-hanap ko. That bergamot, minty, and aquatic feel upon opening. Wala eh. Shoot, wala. Try ko nga ulit. Oh my god. Enzo, why? Why are you disappointing me? Yeah, wala nga. I don't know. Well, they promised na wala yung ang hit scent. I think yung sinasabi nilang ang hit scent is yung bergamot and green apple scent. Pero wala eh. Yeah. I mean, wearable siya. Mabango siya. But, guys, I'm comparing Rasasi Hawas dito sa Enzo Set Hawas. And, to be honest, as always, malayo siya upon opening. Medyo floral and sweet ngayon yung dry down ni Enzo Set. Meron siyang projection. But I don't think magkawin sila upon opening. I mean, kaya ko pa siya inaamoy. Shit. Oh my god. Push ko ba to? Ayun nga. Basta yun. Enzo Set Hawas. Opening medyo magkalayo. Mabango naman siya. Okay. It smells so good. Pero, comparison dito, wala pa rin. Layo eh. Yun lang. Sorry, Enzo Sense.